I just want to say thank you to all my 91 subscribers. I'm really trying to hit 100. I'm super duper excited. I just feel like my channel is like slowly growing, but like for me it's like growing at a fast pace, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know, I'm just super duper excited. I just want to thank you guys so much. I really hope you guys enjoy my videos. If you guys have any recommendations, any suggestions, or any you know, feedback, you know, constructive criticism, I'm so down for it. Just leave it down below, and yeah, I'll reply to you. I would do my best to accommodate those suggestions. But other than that, I just want to thank everybody. I want to do the throwing up blood prank on him. I'm super nervous. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I hope it doesn't turn out bad. I hope he doesn't get mad. He might get mad, but it's okay because I need some content and I'm excited. I've been wanting to do this prank for mad long, so yeah. But that's what's gonna happen later on. He gets out super duper late, so I don't even know if he's gonna be in the mood to even spend time with me. Like, he might just be like, babe, I just want to go to sleep. Like, that's it. But he got something coming for him because your girl is gonna fucking prank him. I have my bottle of blood in the back. Ooh, yeah. I'm so excited. Ooh. So my plan is to like just be laying down, texting him that I don't feel good, and then just randomly like, oh, I forgot my seatbelt. Just randomly like telling him I don't feel good, and then when he comes home I start coughing. I go to the bathroom, he's gonna ask me if I'm okay, I'm hoping. So my plan is to like take a little cup of the blood and go to the bathroom, come back, and then just like put it in my mouth and then like just cough it up. But I think I'm gonna do this good, so stay tuned, and yeah, I'll see you later. Oh! Okay, guys, so I'm in the bathroom. Brandon has music on. I've been telling him all damn day. I feel sick. I'm so nervous. It's just like saying, babe, what's wrong? Like, you've been sick all day, like your stomach's been hurting all day. What do you think it is? I'm like, I don't know, but we're about to do this prank. Hopefully it works. I'm super nervous. I'm whispering because I think let's go. Okay guys, so I have to put the viewfinder down. I'm super duper nervous. I don't want to I'm trying to put this in the way so that he won't notice that.
grilling them softly. They're grilling on a frying pan.
I don't feel good.
What?
I don't feel good.
You don't want to go?
No, I could go.
So no, if you don't feel good, we don't have to go, babe.
No, it's okay. Your dad's funny. He was like grilling them softly. Oh, my stomach is bad.
We don't have to go, babe. We can just get a drink and come right back.
No, I wanna go home. What are we gonna do?
The lounge, my boys are lounge. I think they verified them. What the fuck is that shit? You don't feel good? So then let's not go, baby. We get it's in Steinway. It's far.
That's okay.
But why are you laughing at? I feel like you're always laughing at me, like deep down inside.
No. I don't know why I'm not there.
I hate going out without a tank top, bro. You alright? Oh. You alright, babe? Babe, are you okay? Babe, what? You bleeding?
It's a break. It's a break.
You play too much, man. This is not the time to be fucking playing around, man.
I don't want you to go to your parents. I'm sorry. Babe, you got scared? Babe.
Come on, man. You acting stupid, man.
I almost swallowed that shit.
I hope you did. Yeah.
Look, babe. Babe, look.
Man, I'm trying to look for my stuff. I'm trying to get out of here.
How you feel?
Was
Was it good?
Yeah, that was pretty good. What the fuck is this?
Look, it's nasty.
I hope she swallowed it.
Was it good?
No, that wasn't a good prank. You
Babe, do you
got me
think
worried, bro. Like my heart went to my eyes.
You guys
When's he even gonna go out?
Love. I know. Babe, oh, I feel so bad. Give me a kiss.
No.
Give me a kiss.
No, clean that.
Oh, I feel like I swallowed it. Look. But who's the best though? Who the best though? Ooh, delish though. Babe.
What?
Say hi to my family. Let me get Vicky.
Yeah, wait, babe, cause I want to get ready.
I know big kids though.
I told him he was gonna be there in 45 minutes.
So I'm recording on my phone, sorry guys. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I felt so bad doing this to baby right here. But
Don't be part of her antics, man.
But it worked. He got scared. I heard it in his voice. I felt super bad, so I couldn't keep it going. But I love you, baby.
Just know,
Who's
my
the
pranks is
prankster?
coming soon.
Who's the prankster here?
Just know.
Me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification sign to get notified every single time I post a video. And like I always say, I'll see you in the next one.